Hi, this is Leah, and I wanted to show you how to create a Google form that is a branched form. I didn't know that you could do this. I just learned this recently, and I was excited about it. So I wanted to share how it could be done. So I've kind of started on an example here. Since I teach technology, I thought one of the things I could do is to ask the teachers, do you utilize or did you utilize the technology teacher for instruction in the classroom? And we could just leave it as a yes or no question, but that doesn't really do anything for us. And then if you answered one and then the rest of the questions didn't apply, that's not going to really be beneficial. So that's where it comes in creating these branched forms where you create other sections. So the first question needs to be either a multiple choice or a drop down, but I prefer on this to be a multiple choice. So the first thing I'm going to say is yes, I did. And the other one is going to be no, I did not. Okay. And that's going to be a required question. Now, at this point, what I want to do is click here for add a section. And the title of this section is going to be the yes, I did section. And within this section is where we're going to add some questions that correspond with that. Was it beneficial? Again, we can have a yes or no option. Okay. I'm going to do this as a required. And then maybe I want to add one more question. But this time I want to make it a paragraph and say, how could it have been more beneficial? Okay. Required question. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to add another section. This section is going to be titled our No, I did not. And now I have questions that go with this one. For instance, if they did not, what caused you to not utilize the teacher? And I'm going to make this a required question as well. For examples now, we go back to the top and we're going to look in here and where you see the hot dog, the three dots here, we're going to click in this section and we're going to say go to section based on answer. If they click here, we're not going to just continue to the next section. We're going to go to this drop-down menu and we're going to choose the Yes, I did section. If they choose No, I did not, then we go here and we choose No, I did not. And then you go through just the regular way you would normally send or set up any of your information through your settings. So I hope that you've enjoyed this and that it gives you new ideas for how you might be able to better utilize forms with branched sections for your classroom. Thanks.